5-finger breathing to help you settle, reduce anxiety. Take a pause. So take one hand and hold it up, or you can hold it flat in front of you, whatever's most comfortable. And I want you to take the pointer finger of your other hand, and we're gonna trace our hand. And as we go up, out the pinky, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. Pause, and as we go down, exhale through your mouth. And back up the ring finger, inhale through your nose. Pause at the top, exhale through your mouth. Middle finger, inhale through your nose. Pause at the top, exhale on the way down. Pointer finger, inhale through your nose. Pause, exhale on the way down. Last one, your thumb, inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. So you can either do this one time through or repeat and do 10 breaths and repeat it the way back. Use it every time you need to kind of take a time out, pause, or reduce your anxiety.